Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple fresher position open in Eaton. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. This is Eaton official career page. Let's discuss about the job details. This position they mention like associate engineer for machine learning. Location they mention like Hadapsar, Pune and Maharashtra. Job ID they mention like this one, and hybrid also. This is a hybrid model work. You have to work 3 days in office. Department like they mention like research and development engineering. Let's the important point discuss like the job description and job details. So let me scroll down. So here you can see like they mention candidate need to develop, maintain the data engineering pipelines and continuous integration using like deployment like CI/CD pipelines for machine learning models. So he have to develop, train and validate machine learning models to address the business needs. Understanding also required like the challenging productionizing machine learning softwares, collaborating with the data scientist to ensure software based practices and also integrated to the reduce the cycle time. Next point they mention like candidate need to develop and maintain the documentation and training materials for like machine learning solution. He have to keep up to date like for emerging technology. As you are joining as a fresher, you must be have to explore multiple technology and you have to involve multiple technology. So they mention trend in the machine learning and cloud infrastructure. You have to up to date. What is the qualification required for this particular position? So it's required minimum like bachelor degree required. Stream they mention like computer science and relevant fields. Experience like 0 to 2 years. So fresher is eligible for this particular position. So feel free to apply for this particular job. What is the skill required? So as you are joining as a fresher, they mention like fresher with understanding required like machine learning and software engineering and related fields. This kind of like at least fundamental knowledge is required. So machine learning framework like TensorFlow and PyTorch and also like they mention scikit-learn also required. This is like some environment which you have at least familiar with this environment how to use that one. Understanding also required like for pipeline code and code based practices. Understanding also required like CI/CD pipelines and also like Docker and Kubernetes also required. Algorithm required for like regression, classification, cluster and deep learning. So these all are like cloud and also machine learning thing. At least you must be have some idea. Problem solving skill like this is like expecting all corporates. So this is common for everything. So they mention for fresher, excellent communication skill and ability to work collaboratively with the team member. So they mentioned here, right? Fresher is understanding machine learning, software engineering and related fields. At least you must have some idea. So cloud infrastructure, the common thing like AWS, Azure and GCP. So every corporate is expecting that one. So here these 2 points we already discussed. Now let's come here like they are mentioning ability to manage. So as you are joining as a fresher, you must be able to involve like multiple projects and try to like fast place like the enrollment and also desired expertise the following areas. So here like some familiar with the DevOps as you are joining as a AI/ML engineer, so cloud engineer. So this kind of basic thing must be you have. Big data technology also like if you have any like a Hadoop and Spark and Kafka is a plus point for you guys. So these are like some basic thing, just keeping that one. So here like problem solving skill. So this is like common for every corporate. So you will get if you have like a independent player, it's a plus point for you guys. Last point like they mentioned team player. So you need to work with a small and fast moving team. So then only you will get some more idea how the workflow is work, how to prepare the solution design document, how you need to develop, to test and maintain and support. You will get all. So about all like their company details and reward like their company honored like from like the what is the honor and award from the company. So company got what they mentioned here. Next point the main point. If you go through here, right, there is one more option company and benefits. If you click this one, you will get like what kind of perks and benefits company is providing. companies giving like wellness program resources, insurance benefit also companies giving, employee assistant program also there. If you are doing well, like you, there is some recognition program also there. Flexibility work hour solution option also they are providing. For candidate also, if you join, like you will get like learning, online learning and career development opportunity also there. Leadership development also there, and also like SM and SAM also there. Stress assignment marketplace also there. Education assistant program also they are saying, and relocation benefit also there. So these are like some benefit companies providing that one. If you want to interest like to apply for this job, just click this apply now. So it will redirecting to this page. So here it will loading, right? So just wait for few seconds. So now you can see like this is the step, like you have to fill the steps. Like these are some basic steps, so everyone aware this one. I hope like this video is helpful for you. Still, if you have doubt and query in your mind, feel free to comment in the comment box. In my available time, I will reply for your message. Thank you so much, like those who are watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel so it will motivate to make more videos. Thank you so much.